Moxxie, what's this? What do you think this looks like? Do you want to open it? Do you want to open it, or do you want me to help you open it? I'll help you open it, Moxxie. Hey, let's see. Oh, you want help? You want to help? No? No? Let's see what's inside. What's that, Moxxie? Oh, okay. What is that, Moxxie?
Oh my goodness, did you get a new toy? Did you get a new toy for Christmas?
Remember, Moxxie, you also gotta share part of your present with the mice, too. And Tweet. Gotta give Tweet and the mice some of these, too. They all get one. Well, it wouldn't be fair if we just gave presents to the cats and Moxxie and leave the other animals out. I'll give Pikachu these right here. I'll have to try catching Pikachu later tonight on camera to see how he likes his presents. Same with the girls. Mice are nocturnal, so I'm gonna have to wait till later tonight to see how they like their presents. Well, I mean, I gotta wake up Maggie early. She needs her treatment for her ears.
Excuse me, can you let me look it up first? You start biting me? Stuff.
Moxxie, what are you doing out here? Stormy, what are you doing?
There you go. The cactus. Lots to choose, he says. I should have hung it right there. Those I can put away the sweet dish, but sorry for a minute.